Hey guys, this is Tyler Kelly from Keystone RV here with Keys Trailers, representing the all-new product line we launched back in fall called the Walkabout. You'll notice right off the bat, it's sharp. It looks different than anything else out there. Reason being, this is actually a laminate aluminum travel trailer. It's not fiberglass. So you have the aluminum skin on the outside, and you also have fully composite sidewalls. There's not an ounce of wood in it, so you don't have to worry about rot with this. You're also going to get a really cool 10-year color and gloss retention guarantee on the paint job, which is a big deal. For a lot of campers dim and fade, this one's going to hold up its finish, and if it doesn't, you're covered. You're also going to notice I'm going to do 11 gauge powder coated corner rails on the side of the unit. Very heavy duty. It's just going to help with the structural stability when you're towing this where nothing else can go. You're going to notice we have a full pass-through storage as well. We have a 2,000 watt inverter that's going to come on board, and we have your charge controller for your 440 watts of solar that are going to come standard as well, and our dedicated water convenience center all the way on the other side, all in one convenient access point for you. Underneath, you're going to have a fully enclosed underbelly with 12-volt heat pads. What happens, you flip the switch inside. When it drops below freezing, those heat pads are going to turn on and regulate so your water doesn't freeze, or expand and burst, which is a big deal. You'll notice we have our nice little outside prep station here for fish, vegetables, whatever you want to use it for. If you don't want to use it, you can take it off the bracket and just put it in the pass-through storage. Everybody's always asking, what is this? You put paper towels here? What is it? Cooked bread? Whatever. It's actually a gear drying rack. So you put your boots, gloves, swimsuits on here, you close it and will heat and dry. It's a really cool feature on this. Underneath, we're going to do the all new Kurt TCS suspension, which when you see the coils under there, very heavy duty. When they tested the suspension system, they had people ride in the back of a fifth wheel and they felt no road shock at all. You pair that with my D-rated all-terrain tires here. This is built to take you where nothing else will go. We also do a 3-point auto level system and 4 redundant stab jacks. Where a lot of manufacturers, this is optional. On the Walkabout, it's already going to be on there. Control for it is right above your dedicated water convenience center in there in the pass-through storage. The 4 redundant stab jacks are there because if you're going in rugged terrain, you're able to lower them and have better stability. It's where it's rocky, kind of rugged out there. You'll notice my windows too, we do square windows, just like home. Square windows, you don't have rounded ones. And you can also open them in the rain because of where the hinge is. Now, we also went with the new Suburban composite steps. People love these. They're very stable. Huge hit. Everybody's asking about these, and a lot of manufacturers are moving to them now. So I talked about the composite floor, or the composite sidewalls. We also do a composite floor as well called the Hyperdeck floor from Keystone. Just like your sidewalls aren't going to rot, your floor isn't going to rot either. You don't have to worry about that. You're covered. On this 22 Max, we do what we call the Dream Day bed. So it is on a steel piston mechanism in the pass-through storage. That is going to give you considerably more space here. 16.5 more inches of space inside the camper. If you want to do late night reading, get on your phone, you're able to do that with this. We also do an upgraded bamboo style mattresses. People are starting to use these in their homes, where we're doing it standard. So you don't have to worry about getting a rock hard mattress that you're going to hurt your back on. We've got you taken care of on this already. One of the biggest things with the Walkabout is our Atrium slideout. We have a patent pending system for it. I call it the Stargazer. So on my 22, we do the small mini Atrium, but on my 26, which is the bigger model of this, it is a full-sized Atrium. So you've got, I think, 3 of these windows on the whole pass-through. It is awesome. You want to go see mountains, lakes, whatever, the stars at night with your honey, you can do that inside of this model. My cabinetry is actual painted maple wood, where a lot of manufacturers are going to use cheap particle board. Mine is actual painted maple wood cabinetry. We do a nice 12-volt refrigerator too. It's going to roll off your solar. And we're doing the brand new Furrion Chill Cube in your main living area. An 18K BTU Furrion Chill Cube that can run off your solar. It's a big deal. My countertops are from a supplier known as Wilson Art. One of the biggest things on the inside of the camper, in my opinion, are the countertops. A lot of RVs, if you put a hot skillet or whatever on them, it's going to burn them, bubble them up, ruin them. This can handle hot cast iron skillet. You will not burn these countertops up. Big deal. We also have the little hooks integrated here in the kitchen area, and your nice cutting board that doubles as additional countertop space when you put it over the sink. In the bathroom, you're going to have your nice porcelain foot flush toilet there. It's not plastic, so it's going to be easier cleanup. And your 60K BTU tankless on-demand water heater too. Come on out and see us at Keys Trailers.
Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another awesome video.